Hi, Richard. I would love to know if you think that quantum touch could help slow the aging process, or if there's any anti-aging benefits to it.
I'm convinced that working and moving the energy through my body every single day for almost 46 years now has slowed my aging process. And I'm 75, and I'm stronger than I was in my 20s and 30s. And I don't
Wow.
know my age at all because I can sprint down the street as easily. And so I do believe it certainly slows the aging process. It's something that I'm really interested in and exploring. I'm working on new methods to see if we can stop and reverse the aging process, but I'm not there yet. It's on my agenda to see if we can work it out. And in my new workshop, Becoming More, I'm going to be sharing some of the newest insights on how to do that. But you see, the thing is, longevity takes a long time. And so you don't know right away if you're succeeding at it. So it's going to take a long time to be able to say it definitively. But
Okay, that's very exciting. I will put the link in the description below to the Becoming More workshop. And
so
just the thought of this is inspiring me to double up on my energy practice. So